attitude, skills and knowledge. No ask, no task. It's as simple as that. So skill and knowledge are above the waterline. They are visible, measurable and developable. But motive, trait and self-image, the components of attitude, they are integration of how a person views himself or herself. That is below the waterline. You can't actually see it on the face. You have to really calculate that what is lying the truth below that or behind that. So what is skill? Skill is the ability to do a critical job task. Knowledge is the information or data required to do that job task. And self-image is how that individual sees himself in that job role. Now, I can give you an example for this. When we hire a clinic staff, we want one person to be Superman. Just like we are Superman of all the specialities. Many of us. We want that we will do endo also, we'll do ortho also, we'll do OS also, we'll do prosto also. That is where we are doing wrong. Now, when it comes to staff, you have 3 departments. The one of the first departments is your CSA, chair side assistant. The second department is your reception area, or the waiting staff, or the accessory part. The third is your housekeeping.